It never hurts to have a CoPilot, especially on the internet, especially when you're going after content that you don't particularly know well, and you may hit words or phrases that you don't understand. Let me show you how Bing and Edge can help you with that. Okay, we're going to use the Wiki cryptocurrency page to show you the discovery mode in Microsoft Edge. You can see I have it highlighted in the upper right. I would also like to note that there is no need to have the Microsoft Edge sidebar turned on, and I will demonstrate that to you now. I am going to first go to Settings. I will do this the traditional way by going to the 3 horizontal dots, the ellipse, and find Settings from there. I will then find Sidebar and select it. First, I'll toggle the sidebar off. You can see the Microsoft Edge sidebar is now off, but the Bing icon is still visible. I just wanted to demonstrate to you that the two are separate. So now I'm going to turn the sidebar back on and get out of these settings so that we can take a look at discovery mode. Now in the upper right, let's click the Bing chat icon and turn on discovery mode. Okay, now discovery mode is turned on, and really what we have here is the same kind of chat interface that you would have if you were to, say, open up Bing chat. And you can see that we have the 3 tones of responses here: your creative, the balanced, and the precise. Yes, this makes it very handy to be able to open a chat at any time and ask something, but let's look at something that's even more useful, powerful. Suppose you didn't know what decentralized system means. I'm going to highlight it here in the body of the wiki page and watch what happens. And now look at there, it copied it over into the body of the chat and gives you 4 options that you can select from: and explain, revise, expand, or ignore. I'm going to select explain. A few moments later, and there we go. A pretty long response. I just ran it through fast. I figured you didn't want to see it. You can do this yourself if you want to, but just to show you what happens. So anytime you come across something on the web that you don't understand, you want some clarity on it, and you think Bing can help you, this is how to do it. Pretty simple. It's just another example of how Bing can be your co-pilot out on the internet. Next, let's take a quick look at Insights. That's another one of your options here in Discovery. So I'm going to select Insights. And what you see here is just some information gathered off of the page and some links that may give you further information suggested by Bing based on the content of the page. So that's another CoPilot feature. Now let's take a jump over to Compose. That's the middle option. And let's see what's available to us here. Yes, I've been here already, and I left my previous thing that I wanted to write about in there, which is cryptocurrency based on jokes. Now you have various options that you can choose as far as writing. Now the last time I was here, I selected enthusiastic. This time I'm going to select funny. I'd like to see what that gives us. I'm going to keep it short though. A whole bunch of milliseconds later, there you go, joke coins. You heard it here first. That's really it. That's about all I want to show you here with the Bing Discovery or your Bing Copilot. Thanks for watching.